Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So now that summer is officially upon us, we have been spending so much more time outside and outdoors, and we have been working on refreshing our outdoor space. So we have a fun little project that we put together, and I thought that I would share it with you guys. So of course, any good DIY project always starts at the hardware store, and I picked up these cedar planks, and they're actually just the planks that you would use for like fencing, so it's technically called a fence picket, and they're so cheap. They're only $2.52 a piece. So for these wall planters, I kind of had a vision in mind, and we just kind of eyeballed it. We didn't really take down any measurements exactly, but if you guys are interested in a tutorial, I can do them over again with some exact measurements. So let me know in the comments below if you're interested in a tutorial, and I can get working on that. So for the paint, I did use a black that I had on hand, and it is called Midnight Stroll, and I just picked that up from Ace. So after 2 coats of paint and 2 coats of poly sealer, they were ready to hang. Now I like to use the poly just to protect the wood a little bit more. There is water and dirt and all the elements, so it is not going to last forever, but I feel like it really helped. Also, I did put a layer of plastic in here with some holes so the water can get out, but the dirt cannot. And another quick tip for hanging planters outside: you may need anchors and you may not, but these ones worked really well for us. The dirt I used for these succulents was just an organic raised bed mix. They do make a special mix that has a lot more sand and a little bit more grit to it for the succulents if you prefer that, but I just prefer using the regular mix. So at Home Depot, I got 2 packs of the 8, and this was just the perfect amount for the planters that I made. I really liked the variety that they had, and if you cannot get out to your Home Depot or any local nursery around you, you can also get these on Amazon, so I will link those below. Amazon has some really good options, and they come right to your house. As for the care of these succulents, we tend to get a lot of indirect light on our patio, so they'll get a ton of sunlight out there, and I'm sure they'll be very happy. And as for water, they are drought tolerant, so they don't really require a ton of water, but every now and then I like to take a mister or a little shower and just give them some water. It's funny because as you become older, you develop new hobbies, and this has really become one of my new favorite hobbies, is planting things and kind of having a green thumb or trying. And so I definitely have some favorites going in here, and this one specifically, I think it's called a silver pagoda, and I just thought it was so pretty. It's got like a little bit of fur on it, and I just thought it was so cute. So we've had these guys on the wall for about a week now, and we're already starting to see them kind of branch out and get some little babies on them, and I'm so excited that they are doing well and starting to spread now that they have more room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see the tutorial for these planters, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see our upcoming videos, and thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.